Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best Mesas Pequeñas is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving furniture pieces you can add to your home, perfect for small apartments, dorm rooms, or any area where space is at a premium. These compact tables offer a functional surface for everything from holding your morning coffee and a good book to serving as a convenient spot for your laptop or decorative items, all without overwhelming your living area. Their adaptability makes them a smart choice for maximizing utility in compact living situations, proving that great things can indeed come in small packages when it comes to furnishing your space efficiently and stylishly. Number 5. Furinno Just 3-Tier Side Table. Introducing a stylish side table designed to complement any space. Its compact form makes it perfect for apartments, bedrooms, or living rooms, fitting effortlessly into any corner. This end table features 3 spacious tiers, providing ample room for your books, lamps, or decorative items. Keep your essentials organized and within easy reach. Each shelf can support up to 20 pounds, and the entire unit can hold up to 60 pounds. It's built to hold your everyday items securely. Crafted from durable composite wood with rounded corners for safety, this piece is built for long-lasting use. It's made with FSC-certified wood, combining sustainability and quality. Measuring 11.5 inches deep, 13.4 inches wide, and 22.8 inches high, it's the ideal size for your bedside or any small space. What we like? This offers ample storage with its 3 open tiers, perfect for keeping your essentials organized and within reach. Its toolless assembly means you can set it up in minutes without any hassle. If you're looking for a simple, functional piece for a small apartment or bedroom that's easy to put together, this is a great choice. What people say. The table is very sturdy and well made. It's the perfect size for my small apartment. The design is modern and sleek, it looks great in my living room. Number 4. Lifetime 80251 Adjustable Folding Laptop Table TV Tray. Introducing a highly versatile table designed to adapt to your needs. It easily adjusts to multiple height settings, making it perfect for various uses. Whether you're working on your laptop, engaging in crafts, or need a convenient bedside table, this is the ideal solution. Its adaptable design suits all your activities. Enjoy ample space with its generous open dimensions, providing plenty of room for your items. It's designed for both comfort and practicality. Its lightweight design folds flat, making it incredibly easy to transport and store. Take it anywhere or tuck it away neatly when not in use. The UV-protected top is stain-resistant and simple to clean, ensuring it stays looking great. Built with a sturdy powder-coated steel frame for lasting durability. What we like? This table offers incredible versatility with its adjustable height settings, allowing you to customize it for various uses. It folds flat for easy transport and storage, making it ideal for those on the go or with limited space. If you need a portable surface for your laptop, crafts, or as a TV tray, this is the one for you. What people say. The Mesas Pequeñas is a compact and stylish addition to any small living space. Its minimalist design complements modern decor effortlessly. Assembly was straightforward, and the materials feel durable. Number 3. Iceberg IndestrucTable Classic Folding Table. Discover the ultimate adaptability with this personal folding table. It's engineered for diverse scenarios and can confidently hold up to 250 pounds. Experience its sheer flexibility as it smoothly transitions into a cozy coffee table, laptop desk, or side table. It brings a touch of versatility to any situation. Place your trust in its robustness. With its staunch frame and steel legs, it's built to last through your daily adventures. This foldable table stands as your champion of compact living. It effortlessly fits into your lifestyle, whether as a playful card table or a practical utility surface. This product is a testament to superior quality. We are committed to providing nothing but the best for your home. What we like? Built to be incredibly robust, this table can hold up to 250 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of heavy-duty tasks. Its adaptability allows it to transform into a coffee table, laptop desk, or side table with ease. If you need a durable and flexible surface for various activities, from work to leisure, this table is a reliable companion. What people say. The table is a good size for small spaces. It was easy to assemble and looks great in my living room. The surface is smooth and easy to clean. Number 2. Flash Furniture Elon 2.85-foot square folding event table. Need extra surface space for your guests? This table offers a reliable solution for indoor or outdoor events, whether at home, school, or for your business. It comfortably seats up to 4 people, making it perfect for parties, conferences, barbecues, trade shows, and much more. Its foldable design with locking legs makes it easy to transport and store. Plus, the non-marring floor caps protect your floors. Built with a waterproof, impact, and stain-resistant tabletop and durable legs, it's designed to withstand years of use, indoors or out. Ready to use right out of the box, it supports up to 220 pounds, and measures 34.25 W x 34.25 D x 29.5 H, set up for your events in no time. What we like? This table is designed for all occasions, offering a sturdy and reliable extra surface for both indoor and outdoor events. It features locking legs for stability and folds away easily for compact storage. If you frequently host gatherings or need a dependable table for parties, conferences, or barbecues, this is a practical and hassle-free solution. What people say. The table is very sturdy and well-made. It was easy to assemble and looks great in my living room. The size is perfect for a small space, and it holds my lamp and a few books. Number 1. VASAGLE Rustic Brown and Black Side Table ULET 271B01. This piece brings an industrial look to any space. Its clean design makes an impressive statement with a warm rustic brown tone and matte black steel accent. Despite its slim figure, this end table offers ample storage. You can place your coffee and books on its shelves for a cozy landing spot. Built with sturdy steel frames and particle board panels, it boasts a solid structure. Each tier can hold up to 44 pounds, and adjustable feet ensure stability on uneven floors. Assembly is a breeze with clear instructions and numbered parts. You can put it together in just 4 simple steps, going like clockwork. You receive an end table with a slim profile, solid structure, and easy assembly. It's versatile for use as a side table, entry table, or nightstand. What we like? With its stylish industrial look, this table adds a touch of modern flair to any room. Despite its slim profile, it offers ample storage space and is built with strong, stable steel frames. If you appreciate a blend of aesthetics and functionality, and are looking for an easy-to-assemble piece for your living room, bedroom, or office, this table is an excellent fit. What people say. The table is very sturdy and well-made. It's the perfect size for a small space. The design is modern and sleek, it looks great in my living room. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.